So now we are working on a lead code. Today's lead code question. So today we are solving a simple question that is count negative number in sorted matrix. Grid that is a array nested array having element 4 3 2 minus 1 3 2 minus 1. This thing is there. So now we are going with the scale draw. Yeah, I will just put the here our question in here. No, it's fine. I will just put the. So what is this? Given m into n matrix grid which is sorted and non-increasing order, both row wise and column wise return the number of negative grid. So in that one, I have a 4 3 2 minus 1, 3 2 1 minus 1, 1 1 minus 1, that's minus 1. 6 9, there are 8 negative numbers in the matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have to count the negative number in my matrix. So what is my approach? That's I have to iterate each element of the grid. So my first approach is brute force. Okay. So now I have to go with for loop like that. Int row should be grid dot length. Int column should be grid, and I have to go with the total length of the column. So grid 0 dot length. This is my column length. Okay. So now I have to iterate to each element, right? I have to go with the 4 int I equal to 0, I less than row and I plus plus. First I iterate over the row, then I will go with the column. So then nested for int j equal to 0, j less than column, and j plus plus. Okay, so now I am to the each element of the row and I will check which one is negative and which one is not. So to count the negative number, I have to put the int count is 0. And how to get the element? Let's see. To get the current element, int current element, I have to put the grid row. We go with the I and j. If current element is less than or greater than less than 0. If the number is less than 0, means 0 is greater, right? So then I have to go with the count plus plus, and then after we run the count. Let's see what will happen here. That's my test case is completed now. So now I have to submit it. Good one. So now I have completed this step, and third day I have to strictly follow this. Okay, now next we move to the tomorrow. Same energy and same consistency. So now thank you, and thank you for the watching my videos, subscribe my channel. That's all.